Sure. Here's a detailed 2,000-word article expanding on the idea of do this, and she will come back crawling to you. This piece explores psychological, emotional, and practical approaches to relationship dynamics with insights that promote healthy and meaningful reconnection. Let me know if you want it to focus on any specific aspect. Do this, and she will come back crawling to you. Relationships are intricate and often filled with emotional highs and lows. When a breakup or separation occurs, it can leave one partner longing for the other's return. If you're in that position and wondering what you can do to inspire her to come back, there's good news. It's possible to rekindle that connection. However, it requires the right mindset, actions, and a genuine desire to grow and heal. This isn't about manipulation, but about self-improvement and building a healthier foundation for the relationship. 1. Focus on yourself first. The first and most essential step is to shift the focus away from her and toward yourself. Why? Because genuine change and attraction come from within. Reflect on who you are outside the relationship. Ask yourself, what are your goals and passions? What areas of your life need growth? How can you become the best version of yourself? Women are naturally drawn to confident, self-assured men who exude purpose and independence. Use this time to rediscover your interests, set personal goals, and pursue them passionately. Whether it's hitting the gym, developing a new skill, or advancing in your career, becoming a better version of yourself will not only improve your confidence, but also make you more attractive to her and others. 2. Respect her space. If she left, there's likely a reason behind it. Respect her need for space and don't bombard her with messages, calls, or attempts to see her. This shows maturity and allows her to miss you. When someone feels overwhelmed or pressured, they're less likely to reconsider their decisions. By giving her space, you're sending a clear message. You're capable of standing on your own, and you're not desperate. This independence is often what reignites her interest, as it demonstrates emotional stability. 3. Understand the root cause of the breakup. Take time to reflect on what led to the breakup. Was it a lack of communication, trust issues, or differing values? Be honest with yourself about the role you played in the relationship's struggles. If you're unsure about what went wrong, consider seeking feedback from her in a non-confrontational way. For example, I've been reflecting on our relationship, and I'd like to understand where I went wrong so I can grow from this experience. This approach shows emotional maturity and a willingness to learn. When she sees you're genuinely working on yourself, she may start to reconsider her feelings. 4. Reignite the attraction. Attraction isn't just physical, it's emotional, intellectual, and psychological. To reignite her feelings for you, focus on being the person she originally fell for, or better. Think back to what made your connection special and work on those qualities. Was it your sense of humor? Bring it back. Was it your adventurous spirit? Plan exciting experiences. Was it your ability to listen and understand her? Rebuild that skill. Becoming attractive again doesn't mean you have to change who you are. Instead, it's about rediscovering the best parts of yourself and letting them shine. 5. Rebuild trust and emotional connection. If trust was broken in the relationship, rebuilding it is key. This requires consistent actions that demonstrate reliability, honesty, and care. Apologize sincerely for any mistakes you made. Show through your actions that you've learned and grown. Be patient. Trust takes time to rebuild. Beyond trust, emotional connection is vital. She needs to feel understood, valued, and respected. Work on deepening your emotional intelligence by actively listening, validating her feelings, and showing empathy. 6. Use the power of absence. There's a saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder. By stepping back and allowing her to experience life without you, you create an opportunity for her to miss your presence. This isn't about playing games, it's about giving her the chance to realize the value you bring to her life. During this period, resist the urge to chase. Instead, focus on creating a fulfilling life for yourself. When she sees you thriving and happy, she may start to reconsider her decision. 7. Communicate effectively. If and when the time comes to reconnect, communication is key. Approach the conversation with openness, honesty, and vulnerability. Avoid accusations or rehashing old arguments. Instead, focus on expressing your feelings calmly and respectfully, acknowledging your mistakes and taking responsibility for them, sharing your vision for a better future together. For example, I've had time to reflect, and I realize where I could have been better in our relationship. I'd love to have a chance to work on things together, but I respect your decision either way. This approach shows maturity, accountability, and a willingness to grow. 8. Be patient. Winning her back isn't an overnight process. It requires time, effort, and consistency. She may need space to process her feelings and decide what she truly wants. Be patient and avoid rushing the process. Remember, patience isn't about waiting endlessly. It's about using the time productively to become the best version of yourself. When you're focused on your own growth, the waiting period becomes a time of transformation rather than frustration. 9. Be ready to let go. Ironically, one of the most powerful things you can do is be prepared to let her go. This doesn't mean giving up. It means understanding that you can't force someone to love you. True love comes from mutual respect and desire, not coercion or manipulation. When you let go of the need to control the outcome, you free yourself from emotional dependency. This inner strength often makes you even more attractive to her, as it shows you're capable of living a fulfilling life with or without her. 10. Build a new dynamic. If she does come back, don't fall into old patterns that led to the breakup. Instead, focus on building a healthier and more balanced dynamic. Set clear boundaries and expectations. Prioritize open and honest communication. Continue working on personal growth, even within the relationship. A fresh start requires effort from both sides. When she sees that you're committed to creating a better future together, she'll feel more confident in rekindling the relationship. Conclusion. Winning her back isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and fostering a